I'd seen some of the Restoration Referral System stickers and, some apparel, that sort of thing. And of course, asked if I could have it, and they said, as long as you know what it means. My perspective of insurance agents before I came and participated in this is 100% different. It's almost, it's a love-hate kind of thing before. Now it's more like opportunity is all I see. What I have been struggling to deal with is juggling all of these good and bad leads and not being able to know which one's which. With this system, you know exactly really what you're getting off the bat. The footwork that I was putting in before, it seemed like there was a lot of spinning tires, whereas with this, I feel like I'm gaining traction in a sense that I'm not going to be wasting as much of my time on those lost leads or the leads that are going to lead to dead ends. This seems like it's just full power and it's endless. It's like ordering that endless bowl of chips, it's going to keep coming. Whereas once you're done with the bag, that's kind of like how I've been dealing with it. I buy a bag of chips at a time. Now this is that bottomless bowl. How about that?